So what are kind of your priorities for today?
I'm really just trying to get a fresher, more rejuvenated look. I just always feel tired, right? I see the black circles under my eyes constantly. And every time I'm looking in the mirror, it just makes me very self-conscious.
I really love this description of what we can work on. My key takeaway points for under eye correction: 1, don't correct 100%. Because remember, if you look perfect at rest, it means every time you smile, you're going to have a little bit extra filler that's migrating up, and it does not look appropriate. You can see the change over here versus the change over here. Number 2, when it comes to rejuvenating and looking fresh and rested, it's important to not have tension in the face. And that's where we can use little treatments to stop the movement of muscles so they aren't so aggressive at creating harsh movements or harsh expressions.